So my neighbor's dog has been causing chaos in my garden for months. Every morning, I wake up to find my beautiful flowers destroyed and holes dug everywhere. I've tried talking to my neighbor multiple times, but they just brush it off saying that's what dogs do. After spending hundreds on new plants and hours fixing the damage, I decided to take action. I installed a motion-activated sprinkler system in my garden. The next time the dog came to wreck my plants, it got a harmless but startling spray of water. The neighbor saw this and stormed over to my house, demanding I remove the sprinklers immediately. They claimed I was being cruel to their precious pet, but I stood my ground and explained that I had every right to protect my property with a harmless deterrent. Now the whole neighborhood is divided. Some say I went too far, while others are applauding my creative solution. The funny part? The dog hasn't stepped foot in my garden since that first sprinkler surprise.